And then just to kind of put it all together, what are three bullet points you want everyone listening today to take away as far as your presentation, your partner at McKinsey? What are your three takeaways?
Generative AI. One, 2025 is 1990. Just thinking about the paradigm, 2025 for generative AI is basically 1990 for the personal computer. We're at about the same amount of penetration, 80 to 90% of the population is now using it. What we're going to find in business is that those that are able to actually harness the power that is generated by the large language models, the generative AI technology, and actually able to drive business value from it, they're going to differentiate themselves over the next 5 to 10 years. The thing that we are seeing now on that, right, and what really drives distinctive value for businesses is one, the operating model that you deploy, and it has to be something that fully evolves. You can't be stuck in your old processes. That requires a significant amount of change management, right? And that's one of the key things that we're seeing, that people are not investing enough into the change management to truly drive the value of generative AI. The second, and what really drives distinctive performance on the generative AI, right? If you think about it, almost everyone can have access to a large language model, costs $20 per month. But at the same time, what will differentiate your organization is the proprietary data that you can bring to the table, right? Things that allow you to do retrieval augmented generative AI, RAG models, right? Like that's going to be a substantial benefit. The more data that you can provide to it that gives it unique insight, the more value that you as an organization can drive off of that technology. You think about McKinsey, we have 40 years of transformative efforts across the entire ecosystem of companies in the US or globally. And when you think about that competitive advantage in this market where proprietary data is becoming the coin of the realm, we're at a distinct advantage over others, and we're continuing to gain that year over year.